Most probably you already know that the best typing learning software for the Windows users is TypingMaster, and it's also true that you are tired of trying so many tricks and watching so many videos to get actually lifetime license of TypingMaster software. And here you can see that I have completed all the lessons till lesson 12, and you know that this is not possible without having the license of TypingMaster software. So in this video I'm going to actually share with you also, so that you can also complete all these lessons and type in your closed eyes. But the first and the very important thing of this video is you need to watch the video carefully, don't skip, and also follow the steps as I suggest exactly, otherwise you may miss some important trick which actually can result in not getting the lifetime license actually. However, so first of all you need to do what? Download a proper application. The typing, you already know that there are so many variations of TypingMaster. So if you don't download the exact application, then you can't get it. So I'll share the link to get the proper application. So just click, I'll share it on the description of the video and also in the comment section maybe. So you can click on that link, and just after clicking you will see that this kind of interface will open. So it's TypingMaster and it's a 8.7 MB size file, and it's downloadable. Okay, you can just click on this three dot and download it. So, and you can see that the owner of this file which is shared in drive is demo RBW. It's none other than me. It's actually I have shared it in my Google Drive in my another email, demo R. I have shared it, so you can download it completely with faith, no issues there. So just after downloading it you will get this kind of RAR file, and you need to extract it. And if you don't have any application to extract it, then you can search in Google that how to extract RAR file, so you can download any software. So just after right clicking it, you can see that I generally extract this using WinRAR software. So I am extracting it to this folder. So there will a folder will be created named the same. So just after clicking, and then when the folder will be created, then you need to double click on it, and here you see the TypingMaster application is there, and also the key is there. So what you need to do, install it. You can double click it or just right click it and run as administrator, then you will you can install it. Then after the installation is done, so you are almost there. The next thing is you need to give the product key and license to the exact place. Okay, so if this video is helpful to you, then you must subscribe to my channel. Actually this is a new channel. Okay, however we'll see if it's helpful for you or not. So if it works, then just subscribe. Then what you need to do, you need to install it, and after installing it you will get this kind of interface when you need to put your name, and then this will be there, and this right side these options will be there. So what you need to do, just go to the information tab, and after clicking on the information you will see, look, I'm Rajesh Roy and I have license here. So what you need to do, you won't see license there, you will see that limited trial version here. So to get the lifetime license, what you need to do, just click on enter license. Okay, so just after clicking enter license, you will get the license key and product key option. So where you will get all these things, just go back to that folder where you extracted the TypingMaster Pro application, and just click on the key, this folder. This is actually notepad, it will be opened on your notepad. Just click copy the name and paste it in place of license ID, and go back to that again and just copy it. The product key you need to copy. Just after copying it, go back to the TypingMaster software and paste it, and just then click enter. Then you will see that your license is activated, and this kind of pop-up will be there, and you will see this kind of things. So that was the video, and if it works for you, then just write a comment that it worked for you, or you can say thank you as a gratitude. And also I'd like to request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.